Everyone, I'm Leela Murali for News. Today the news team is here at the University of Delhi. We've come here on a special occasion of International Women's Day. Now everyone knows that International Women's Day is celebrated on March 8th across the world. Today we're here to ask the young minds of Delhi what they think about International Women's Day and what it means to them. So I'm sitting here with Sanika from Manipur and I'm going to ask her what she thinks about International Women's Day. So Sanika, firstly, which college are you from?
Miranda House.
Miranda House?
Yeah.
Okay, and what are you doing in Miranda House?
MA in philosophy.
Okay.
And just enrolled in Miranda House. That's
Okay,
it.
that's awesome. So what do you think as a woman, what do you think about International Women's Day?
I feel proud to be a woman, and I mean, like, being a sister, being a daughter. Yeah, I feel like happy. I feel proud to be what I am.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's awesome. Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, what's your name?
Jagriti.
Okay. So, what do you feel about today? Should it be celebrated and why?
I don't think it's like, we shouldn't have just this one day for the celebration of Women's Day, because every day you should be, women should be seen in a different sphere, not just for a day or so. So I don't think it's a very, we shouldn't celebrate it like that. But of course, it marks a day, and it gives us agency to speak about ourselves. So yeah, you can see so many seminars and other things going on in and around Delhi University. So yeah, that's my thought.
That's lovely. And what's your name, sir?
Teja. My name is Teja.
Hi. So, as a responsible male of India, how would you uplift the women? What would you do to support down societies?
It's interesting because we just came from a seminar. It was a seminar conducted on the writings of Periyar. He's a reformer from the south, and it just got me thinking, because I think it is time that we see women in a new light, and that we don't just see them in the domestic sphere that we usually relegate the women to. And I think it's a question that all the men have to see through.
Okay, so what's your name?
Nikita.
Nikita, and what's your name?
Akriti.
Okay, and which college are you guys from?
We are from Department of History. We are doing MPhil from there.
Okay, are you from Delhi?
No.
Yeah, I'm from Delhi.
You're from Delhi? Which part?
I came from Harsh Vihar,
Okay.
Ghaziabad part.
Okay, nice. And you?
I'm from Jharkhand, Bokaro.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, so today is International Women's Day. What do you guys think about that?
It's nice. This day must be celebrated. Obviously, it's being celebrated. We just attended a lecture by Aparna Balachandran on Periyar's writing about women, on women, and we he wrote at the time of between 1820s and 30s, when social reform movements were coming up, and women were not represented as men in the society. Me being an ancient Indian history student, would like to talk about inequality, and that has been ingrained in our society from the ancient time periods. Women have been suppressed all along, masculine. They have been framed within the masculine frame, and we need to talk more and more about the self-respect thing that women need to gain, which has been lost somewhere. But these days we are trying to overcome all of that masculine and feminine frame. So that's it.
Okay, what about you, Akriti?
I don't want to.
You don't want to say anything? Okay. Okay, so every day, like when you're in Delhi, when you're walking, when you go by the bus, when you go by the metro, do you feel like you're discriminated upon, like in the workplace, in class? Do you see such discrimination around you? Not just you, around you. Do you see such discrimination?
Yes, we do see discrimination, but I think me as an individual, it depends upon me how I take those things and how I take an effort or a step to change those things. If I see there's a discrimination, somebody talks to me and tries to suppress me, it's on me how I respond to that thing, and how I try and move out and explain, be the change that works.
What's your name?
Is important.
Shikha, and yours? Shruti. Okay, so today is International Women's Day, you know that. So what do you think about that?
I think it's a day dedicated to all the women who've been working so hard every day to make their lives, as well as the people who are in their lives, worth a while. So yeah, we should celebrate it. We should appreciate all the women who've been brought up, and yeah, cheers to all of us.
Hi, I'm Rini.
I'm Angelica Ribam.
And we've spoken to boys and girls alike on what they think of Women's Day and how have they celebrated it.
It's really nice to have various opinions, about International Women's Day, and we request our viewers to kindly leave their comments on YouTube's the comment section on the YouTube video.
Thank you so much for